Our Eudemon mixing pattern UD223, designed for dumpers and cement mixers. Reinforced steel cord and robust casing provided extraordinary loading capacity. Aesthetically hierarchical designs and stiffeners between blocks prevented block chunking. Sipe design in center pattern blocks promoted heat dissipation and continuously cooler running. Anti-stone design reduces the risk of stone drilling into the casing and ensured driving safety. Strengthened bead structure improved tire load capacity. UD223 is tailor-made for trucks and construction vehicles with durability and stability, suitable for various working environments, making driving more efficiently. Where there is a way, there is the Eudemon.